Hello, good evening to everyone. Today I'm just going to unbox this native detox green tea. See, first of all, I really like this beautiful package. This is the net quantity is of 100 grams. See here, if it is visible. Yeah, and the price is something like 148 rupees. But I purchased in offline store. This is not on online, but I got it for like 112 rupees. Please do comment for 112 rupees 100 grams of green tea, is it a better deal or not? Okay. And coming to this brand native, I searched online but I couldn't find it on Flipkart or Amazon. Maybe now it is available, but when the time during this purchase I didn't find them in online. That's the reason I gone for this in the offline store. One of my friends suggested to use this, so now I'm going to unbox this. Later this, and later this Bajaj heavyweight dry iron box. So I'll be uploading these three videos separately. First we'll see the unboxing of this. And see here, this is somewhat like a metal type of thing. You can observe the sound. This is the bottom, so I need to cut it off from here, I guess. Maybe I'll try to open from here if it is possible. Let me check. See here, initially I thought of tearing this with this knife. I would have made this spoil, but you can just remove the cap like this with this. I forcefully took this off. So there is the gum pasted here. That's the reason I'm unable to take it easily. But later, after using this, you can use the same. You can unpack this and you can pour it here and you can close the lid. So yeah, you may use it. And this is of paper sort of material. This is not the metal. Only this one and the bottom one is the metal. And see here, this is of the just paper sheet. Okay. And there are some nutrition information. And once I taste this tea, I'll be posting how exactly the taste according to my feeling. This is only my personal feeling. The taste and preferences may be different from person to person. You need to check that, keep in mind. And one more thing, the Potronics unboxing is already uploaded in the channel. You can check it. And this QT foam slippers or the chappal, I'll be telling my experience and how the quality and everything, the price and everything in the next video. And later Bajaj. So yeah, please do check in the description for the link. Yeah, this is what the green tea powder looks like. I don't know whether it is showing you. What I'll do is I'll completely pour this and I'll show you the texture and everything. Yeah, see here. If you already see something like henna powder or something like that texture and some, yeah. Once I boil this on the water, once I drink it, I can make a comment on this. This is how it is looking. Maybe this is a completely different product. I have never used something like this. Okay, let us check. Yeah, see here, I'll be using this same tin to store this. Yeah, it's almost completed. I'll be just placing in the cup. Maybe I can strain it, but as of now I'm not going to do that. This is how the tea is looking. Yeah, I need to taste this one. Yeah, maybe you can do one thing. You just definitely need to strain this because there are a lot of particles. So yeah, without staining it's hard to drink. And coming to the taste, it is not that bitter. So I didn't applied any sweet but a little bit of honey, so it's was somewhat like I'm feeling sweetness only because of that, but I didn't feel any bitterness. Maybe that is because of this one, that honey. Yeah, in future I'll be checking without the honey. If you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments.